You miss your bro? Tell him,
Talk to him.
tell him I love him. No, say it first. Tell him I love him.
Hey, tell your brother you love him.
Yeah.
Come on, fool.
You wanted to talk to him.
Here, dude, talk to him. Fool.
Why? My bad. My bad, man. My bad, nigga. Hello? Yeah, what up, man? What are you doing, fool? You coming down here for your grandma's birthday? You better. Oh, he's sleeping over, dude, because we're playing poker and then he wanted to come down and sleep over, that's why. We're playing poker.
Tell your brother
Yeah,
you love
he
him.
already asked.
Hey.
You right. Well, yeah, you still want to talk to him? Why not? No, he's not drinking. He's just tired and he misses you and all that shit. Don't worry, I got that on my video. I got it on video. I'll let you listen to it if you come down. I'll let you see it too if you want.
See, you should take the baby in the bottom. See the bottom.
Yeah, well, I attended. Like, yeah, I guess. Yeah,
You
two
see myself, fool?
motherfucking 3 king cobras for this nigga. I think he's a champ. He cried and called his brother because he miss him. You know, he loves his big brother. He misses his big brother. He wants him to come down here and live here.
He wants to sleep with his brother.
He wants to sleep with the big brother. You know. He will protect his big brother like, you know. Who you calling, dude? Who you calling, ISIS?
Fuck that bitch.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Fucking shoot her too.
Oh shit, yeah. Who you calling? Hey, who you calling, dude?
Brother.
My brother. What the fuck's wrong with you? My brother's here.
Oh, all four.
You okay? Just lay down, dude. Right there. Lay down like a, you know, lay down.
Hey.
You okay?
I'm gonna pull right now in the YouTube, dude. I need my sunflower seeds.
What's up?
Sunflower.
Sunflower seeds? Oh, why you want them, dude? You're laying down, fool. You might choke on them, and I don't want to take you to the hospital.
Man, fuck that. And fuck those haters too in fucking school. Fuck all of you faggots.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what's up.
Especially you fucking faggot Excalibur.
Yeah. Yeah, tell that nigga what's up.
Fucking crab ass bitch.
Yeah. Shit. Tell that nigga.
See the streets shoot you too, fool.
You.
Fucking the crackhead brothers and the sister.
Yeah. What crackheads? We're talking about crackheads, fool. Who the crackheads at, nigga? Who the crackheads?
Mark Bulag.
And?
Fuck you, especially Jonathan.
And?
You too, ISIS.
Yeah. Come suck your cack. Suck cack, bitch. Why you smiling, fool? Hell yeah. You smiling because you're fucked up. Dude, we're gonna have a hell of viewers in this. Who's gonna be the shit? Know what I mean? Oh. Fucking, you look like you remind me of a whale and shit, spitting out water up in the fucking nostrils or something.
Where's the bag of sunflower seeds?
Why? Why you need them?
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry. Big Bear's hungry. Big Bear's hungry. Give him something to eat.
Where's the game?
The game, he's over there in the computer.
So come here.
Why, you miss him too?
Yeah.
Oh shit, hold on.